Alright guys, I picked up a little flip car for about $900 and we're gonna go ahead and clean it up a little bit and get all the trash inside it. Wait till you see how dirty it is inside. It's pretty nasty, but it is a 2002 Trailblazer LTZ. I'll go ahead and flip the camera around so you can see it a little bit better here. 2002 Trailblazer. It was sitting for about 2 years when I got it, and they told me that it would not shift back into park. When I got to it, the shift linkage up under the car was disconnected from the transmission, and in order to get the shifter to shift out of park, I had to come inside the car here, and I'll actually show you real quick. I ended up having to go down in here underneath the shifter, and there's a little button on the side. I don't know if I can get it with one hand. There we go. There's a little button right in here on the side that I ended up having to push to get it out of gear. And then once I got it back into gear, it seems to have fixed itself for now, but I think it's probably going to happen again. So this is the rest of the car real quick, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you what's inside, and I'm going to learn what's inside for myself. So we're going to see what happens here, because it's full of trash. So let's see. Just going to check everything out, see what we got here. Somebody's certificate of attendance for sealed air. Some nasty old gloves. A bunch of paper. Nothing there. Come on, are you sure you're not hungry?
Ew!
Oh man, perfect. It's nice and cold too.
That makes it worse.
It makes it worse.
Who knows how long that's been in there?
I don't know. What in the world is this thing? Some sort of a... I don't know. Anybody on YouTube know what that is? I have no idea. It looks like it's something for cable. There's a couple of them in here. Clip. I might actually end up using that for something.
Is that one of those broken grass clippers?
Is it what?
Is it a broken grass clipper?
I believe it looks to me like it might have actually been like a tree trimmer. So, is this cord any good? Not for anything I have, but I'm going to keep that just in case there might be something else in the car that goes to. Some more brake parts. Can you see everything in here? You can come take a quick video of Paxton for me. Just kind of zoom in on all the junk in the car here, because it is gross. No, like, hey, come over here. That we're going to keep because we might need it. Can you get, like, you can literally push the camera up in there. You don't have to zoom in. And that's not even scratching the surface on what's really in the car. Just wait till we see what else we find. So far, it's mostly nothing but trash. Alright, knee pads. Tie strap. That must be a cover for one of these things in here. Some work gloves. Can always use more tools, more clips. Okay. So nothing real great back here. Alright.
What's in that little compartment over there?
In this? Right here?
Mm-hmm.
That's the jack, the floor jack. Alright. Hit the pause button.
Okay.
Alright. I decided to just crawl up this way and we're going to try and see what we have in here. Some hoodie. You may see me using that in the future because I'll probably use it just to get dirty in. Just because I don't want to get my nice stuff messed up. Trash. This one feels like it's got something in it. Let's see. E-wire, AT&T, looks like some sort of cable box. I'm willing to bet this guy did cable work. I don't know, we'll set that off to the side here for now. Until I figure out more of what it is. Sculler's head protection. Want it? I think it'll look good on you. I'm not trying it on since it was in here. Although it looks like it's pretty clean. Oh, no way. How do I turn it on? Dude, that's kind of cool.
So many Amazon boxes.
What's that?
So many Amazon boxes.
Apparently they use this car for their Amazon trash, huh? And just in case anyone's wondering, behind the camera is my oldest son, Paxton. Are you hungry?
No!
That's nasty.
Ew!
Emergency booster cable. There's nothing in there. We're gonna have to crush that down later and get all these boxes folded up packs. Yuck. I don't even want to know why I wanted to look in there. That was nasty old food.
Oh!
Yeah, so this dude installed satellite. Funnel. That'll probably come in handy. I'll just have to give it a good cleaning job. Do I want to go through this bag? Yes and no.
They look like hair nets.
I'm not really sure, but that's funky looking. Yeah, that is exactly right. You're right. It's a bunch of hair nets. What in the world? Some sort of safety cutter? Oh, see, now this is why I'm going through everything right here. Brand new set of Allen wrenches. Nasty, nasty. I feel dirty right now. Gloves. You want a pair of gloves, Paxton?
Mm-mm.
They look like they're alright still, so.
Mom probably would, for gardening.
Healing lotion.
Earplugs.
Earplugs, ugh. Well, I mean, they don't look like they're used. Printer cartridge. From what it looks like. There. Don't let me forget those, please. Oh. Looking through this bag. You can zoom in on that if you'd like, but otherwise not.
Ew. These people need to clean their car.
Nah, this car sat for 2 years, so it became a junk pile. It was not running for them, and it just became their junk trash. I don't know. I'll keep those because we may end up using something like that in the future in case we don't feel like getting filled. I think I see a back seat finally. Clearly they were somewhere where they had to have hairnets. Brand new bag of charcoal. Trash. Want toothpick?
Ew! With all that dirty food that's been in there, no thanks.
How about a Sharpie?
Ha!
If it still works.
Wow.
What did you say?
Why would they throw a Sharpie in there that still works?
Oh, you just wait. I happen to know there's a lot more Sharpies where that came from because I've looked through the car a little bit. World is that?
It looks like a rack.
Here. You want to be a
No.
safety guard?
No.
Oh, come on. I might actually keep that because you never know. Come on, look, you can match me. We can be safety guards. World.
Here's a jacket.
Right on. Dirty rags.
What is that?
It's another safety cutter of some sort. It's got a razor blade on it. Nope. There's another one of those weird sock things. Man, oh man. Oh yeah. Brand new rubber gloves.
Why do you
Well,
why do
not
you need
brand
some?
new, but new enough. They haven't been used. Clipboard. And now I can fold this seat down. Alright, we came up to this side so I can get the rest of what's in the back seat here. I think I'm going to clean this back seat off first because otherwise I'm just going to crush things into it. So Paxton, check this out. You want a bunch of Sharpies? I'm going to have to go through this bag later. It looks like there's a whole bunch of ear protection and stuff in there. Probably won't use those, but the Sharpies might eventually get used for something, even if it's just an art project. Yeah, I mean, come on. Are you sure you're not hungry?
Ew!
I'm hoping this will actually be in the car somewhere, an endoscope. If not, it's just an empty box. Man, somebody was really hungry in this car. I don't even want to know what that is. Can the camera see it?
Ew!
Can you
what?
actually see it on camera? Ugh.
What
Don't
is
want to
that?
know. So, that would be cool if it was new and not in a dirty, disgusting, filthy car, but we're not even going to bother with that.
A mask.
Engine oil. Stuff in there. Oh yeah, come on now. Eye protection so that I don't get filthy.
You'll still get filthy.
Oh yeah.
Is it a Sharpie?
Another Sharpie. That's probably for the car. Nasty. Do I want to know?
Ew.
Really? There's a bungee cord that I can't get to.
Bungee.
Oh, spark plug. Bunch of randomness. Hey. wonder if that goes to this car. Some sort of a little Bluetooth remote. We'll keep that up on the front seat here. More gloves.
Sharpie.
Grandpa Gus's house pouch.
Who needs so many Sharpies?
Oh,
Ooh, I want it.
I wonder. Well, you're not gonna drink it. That's gross.
What? I love
Even though
Sprite.
it's probably pretty good still. However, it came out of a car that we're cleaning out, so I think we're gonna maybe see if we can do something science experimenty with that later.
Can we buy Sprite? I want Sprite. I'm thirsty.
Bunch of bottled water.
Why do they need so many drinks and food in there?
I don't know.
Did somebody live in there?
There you go. So we're getting there. We can actually see the back seat now. Now I'm gonna fold the seats down and get the rest out of the back. Then we'll get the rest here. All right, so seat number 1.
Another jacket?
Oh, come on, that's all you, Paxton.
Uh-uh.
All you.
No.
Crunch munch?
Ew.
What? It was brand new.
Still, that's gross.
Charcoal, man. Somebody wanted to set this thing on fire.
Because it has charcoal and...
Help me, Tom Cruise, I'm on fire. You don't get that.
No, I don't.
Oh, look at that.
Are those headphones?
World. Yes, they look like they're some sort of headphones. I'll put them off to the side.
some
They
of
all
them-
look like they're busted to me.
Busty.
I don't know.
And they look like they're also wrapped inside paper bag
Not a clue.
with hair.
Wireless headphones of some sort. Yeah, you know what? That's nasty. I ain't keeping those.
Nah.
They're junk. Want a snack pack?
Ew! No! Is that a game controller?
No.
Oh.
I'm
What?
not sure what it is.
Oh, I know what that
Some
is.
sort of McDonald's toy.
It's a McDonald's toy from the movie Aliens. Monsters vs. Aliens.
Alright, score.
Ooh.
Look at that. So we have some shop rags. Some more shop rags. They're actually polishing cloths. Man, I hope that's in there too. A 20-foot tow rope. But got a little tool. Oh, yeah. You hungry?
Ew!
Gross.
Yeah.
No, that's the one.
Oh!
No, that wasn't oil. That's food.
I don't want to clean this car out anymore. You could clean the rest of the car out.
Oh, Paxton, I found a book bag for you back here.
What?
There's a book bag in here for you.
I'm not getting a book bag from in there,
Alright.
especially when there's cans in there like that.
Come on. You don't
What's in it? What's in it?
I want to know what's in this. I think I know. And oh man. No, are you ready? No way.
Oh, you very lucky. PlayStation 3.
Score.
Oh!
PlayStation 3.
So there's a PlayStation 3 in the car.
I want it.
Now I did not know this was here.
I want it.